Nimeona juzi wakati umevaa joho, ndugu zako wengi wasaniki na mkali wenu walikuja kukusupport. Kidogo watu wanastuka. Kuna namna ulikuwa unazungumza zamani kuhusu kusoma chuo. Watu wengi wakawa wanachukulia ni mzaha, lakini kuna namna kama umewastua hivi kwamba kumbe jambo lilikuwa serious sana.
Yes, because they wanted to show for action, for big example. Because people sometimes, I say like me, I'm a study now so far because they wanted to increase the education. People, you can't believe me because you know Harmorap is someone like is a dramas people, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. But I prove. Yes, yesterday, people you see Harmorap, you wearing joy, you know what I'm saying? We got great. I'm so happy for everything because God bless, you know what I'm saying? After finish your full education.
Umemaliza level gani?
Yeah, I degree, my man. I take degrees. Yeah, degree one.
Unakuwa ukisoma kozi gani?
Me myself, you know, because so far about the course, people I sometimes I tell from beginning. Me, I take 3 degrees, you know what I'm saying? So people, you can't believe how much. Oh, why? But me, I don't care about this because me, I'm living my life because I know what I want. Yes.